Hello mga ka-arts! It's Eliza and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a SpongeBob drawing. And I just want to share the sketchbook I am using is a DIY sketchbook. This is the sketchbook. I made it way back 2015 or 2016, and this is the smaller version of my bigger sketchbook that I'm currently using in most of my videos. If you want me to make a tutorial video on how I make this two sketchbook, just let me know in the comments. Just to give an update, nowadays I'm currently working on a watercolor drawing. Let me show you. This is the drawing. Hi guys, so this is the short glimpse of the work that I'm working on. I need to put more details and more layerings. So let's draw SpongeBob first because this took a lot of time. To give a short background about this SpongeBob drawing, since I'm working on a more complicated artwork, it took me a lot of time. So I decided to make a fun little drawing of cartoons that I really like. And I'm planning to make it as a serious drawing, so on my channel I will add a kids playlist where I drew cartoons or more on a kids friendly drawing. I will upload this kind of a video in between of my complicated artwork like realism, so I have a variety of videos to be uploaded. So back to SpongeBob, I make the outline using color pencils because I will use color pencil for this. SpongeBob is one of my favorite cartoon because I like his attitude. He's always positive, caring, thoughtful, innocent, everything. That's why I decided to draw him. Oh wait, I almost forgot. If you're not subscribed yet, please kindly support my channel by subscribing to this channel, clicking the red button that says subscribe, and then hit the notification bell beside it, and also giving this video a big thumbs up so I can make more videos like this and more realistic drawings.